Let's unbox a little Radiance today. This is a Tier Silver. The packaging alone is so sleek, minimal, and luxurious. It already feels like something special. Now, let's talk about what's inside. The Tier Aura Glow Cushion. It gives a semi-glow finish, 72 hours radiance, buildable coverage, and keeps your skin moisturized all day. It's that flawless Korean cushion that makes your skin look like skin, but better. The texture is light, silky, and blends effortless. It melts into my skin, giving me that dewy, radiant finish without feeling heavy. And now, for that extra pop, we're gonna use M by M Serrano Lip and Cheek Lip Tint or Serum. I dab a little bit on my lips.
Walk these streets with me. I'm doing decently.
I also dab a little bit on my cheeks, blend it with my fingertips, and just like that, a soft, natural blush. Final look, glowy, fresh, and effortless. My skin feels light, looks radiant, and the color brings it all together. This combo, my new go-to for everyday confidence.